are going to love the 2019 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.